Hey there and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily regrow sweet potatoes at home just by using one of your store-bought sweet potatoes. To begin, you're going to need a couple glass jars, water, the sweet potato that you're looking to sprout, and sunshine. I used two different sizes of glass jars, one that's large enough to house the sweet potato, and a second one that's a little smaller so that it can easily fit this sweet potato slip or sprouts without drowning them. You're going to want to identify the sprouting end versus the rooting end. So the sprouting end here is the plumpier end, and that's going to remain at the top, and that's where your sprouts or your new sweet potato slips are going to form. Whereas the tapered down slim end, that's going to be the rooting end that should remain in water. The height of this sweet potato slips or sprouts that you see, they have been growing for about 7 days now. But the roots, these have been forming for over 4 weeks now, and this is my 4th cycle of slips. So as you pick them off your sweet potato, you're going to be able to continue to grow more slips from the sweet potato. You just want to make sure that you continue to replenish the water or change out the water every other day or so that it doesn't get moldy and yucky to look at. Your sweet potato slips, once you've picked them off, you're going to want to get them in water as well. Okay, sorry, they're all tangled up. All right, so you want to get them in water as well so that they can root. And this have been, this batch have been soaking in water for the last 7 days as well. All right, and you can see it's got really nice roots here forming up. And here's the other one as well. Okay, there's probably 2 there stuck together. And this batch is ready to go into the soil. I'm going to get working on them in a bit later today. So how are you going to remove your slips? You want to be really, really gentle with them. Get yourself a glass jar with water. Again, about halfway through, you don't want to drown your slips. And then gently pick the slip off the sweet potato. You want to make sure that you don't accidentally break the stem, but try to get it off right at the base here. Okay. Just gently pick it off. And it should come off right at the base like this. And then you dunk it in water and leave it outdoors in a sunny location for about a week or so, and you'll start seeing roots form like the sample that I shared earlier. All right, let's continue with the rest. And we have one more here to go. All right, again, get it right at the bottom. And you're done. In about 7 days, you should start, in fact, in about 3 days or so, you'd already start seeing little roots forming, but you want to leave them for, you want to leave them soaking in water for about a week or so until the roots are well established before you could go ahead and plant them in the soil that you've prepared. So there you go. It's that easy. Well, I hope you try, and I look forward to hearing from you how it goes. Wishing you the very best.